it in areas that were a challenge. And in fact, that they campaigned on that platform, that they're coming together, was a signal that warring communities that they come from.
And like you said, to give it to the president and the deputy that they've managed to maintain their relationship all along.
Yep.
Because initially it was looked at as though it was just buddies against ICC.
Yeah.
But even after ICC, they've managed to maintain that rapport. And it reminds me of President Barack Obama and his deputy. There's even a term that was coined bromance. They had a bromance where they were able to have this chemistry to work together beyond just their job description.
But a bit of caution. I think the first term has been quite good, and you have to give it to them. But I think this, and I'm saying if Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto manage to get a second term, because we're going into election in 3 months' time, and we have them sworn in sometime in September, we will want now to see the kind of games that, because the succession politics are going to bring a totally different attitude at State House. There are those who consider the deputy president perhaps too close to the president, and they would want to have, and all men are ambitious, and all women are ambitious, and they could want perhaps not to have the deputy, inherit the seat of the president, and they would start doing some political games. To what extent and how that would affect the relationship between the president and particularly the coming on board of the likes of, Senator Gideon Moi of Baringo, and he is supporting the president, and perhaps they win a second term, and he will